Hi, my name is Ming Chow. I am a technical specialist at IBM, and my focus is Spectrum Protect Plus. This video is an update to my previous one describing Rbac, or the role-based access control capabilities of Spectrum Protect Plus. With the release of our latest version, we've increased the granularity of which users, roles, and resources can be assigned. While previously we assigned users to specific resources, we can now separately create users, roles, and resource groups. Resource groups are what users can see and interact with. Roles are the rights that users have within those resource groups. Users is where we assign both roles and resource groups to a specific login. Let's see what all this looks like within Spectrum Protect Plus 10.1.1. What we're going to review today is under Access here. To start, let's say we want to create a user that can create, edit, and run reports. So we'll start with the resource group. You'll see there are a couple of defaults here that we can use, but for our purposes, we'll create one from scratch. Now, if we wanted to, we can create it from a template, which is an existing resource group. We can choose what we think we want and remove what we don't need. But for our purposes, again, let's go from scratch. First of all, we want to make sure this user can see the Reports tab on the left here. So we'll add this resource. And then we want to make sure they can see the specific reports. Now, we can narrow down what a specific report they can see, but for our purposes, let's choose all. Next, we'll create a role. Again, there are some default roles here, but we will create one from scratch. Now, we want them to create, view, edit, and delete reports. Again, we can deselect these individual rights. And now we'll create the user. We'll select the reports role, and we'll select the reports resource. And that's it. So now let's log out and log in with this new user. You'll notice on the left they can only see the reports here, but this user has full rights within the Reports tab. They can run reports, send reports, email them out, etc. Now, let's say the job description of this user has changed. We want them to be able to view SLA policies. So let's log out and log back in as admin, and let's see what changes we can make. So in Resource Group, let's modify the resource we just created. And first of all, let's add SLA policy to the screen so that user can see it. Then SLA policy, let's say all, we will update. And for the role, let's add view to SLA here. Okay, now let's log back in as the user we created. Now, you'll notice that SLA policy is here now. And we can view the policies. Notice we can't make any changes here. That's it. This is the overview of Rbac, role-based access controls for Spectrum Protect Plus 10.1.1. Thanks for watching.